I never say no to something interesting to pull apart. I was hoping for a bit of a challenge with this W204 third brake light assembly. Unfortunately, I was disappointed because really any idiot can fix this. It's so frickin' simple, it's not even funny. And no, it's not just a partially conducting LED. This is the current draw I was getting, 0.3 or 0.03 of an amp, basically 30 milliamps. That is the sense resistor only that was conducting. This diode, we can see that there is 5.9 volts of voltage drop across it. So it's basically screwed. And just to prove the point, we will short it out. And what a surprise. The array lights up. So all we have to do is replace it. So the diode in question is a 1N4004. These are ridiculously cheap. I bought this bag of 100 of them for only a few dollars. So yeah, no excuse. That's the new diode installed. And I also soldered the only hot running component on the card, and that is the sense resistor that basically runs across the positive and minus terminal, so the lighting control module knows that this is actually plugged in. And we can see that the official rating is 4.55 watts at 13.5 volts. So I set my variable power supply to 13.5 volts, and we times that by 0.33, and we get a figure of 4.45 watts. I'm happy with that. Not that I have a 204, but hopefully this helps someone. This is just so stupid it's not even funny.